travel bug. I did a review on the Away travel suitcases and I got a lot of questions, so I figured why not answer all the questions I've gotten in a video. The first question is, what's my favorite size of suitcase? I did get the carry-on, the medium, and the large as a set, and when I travel I tend to take just the carry-on and the medium. That's my favorite combination. When I travel with the large, I tend to go over the weight limit when flying on a plane. So with the medium, I hit around 43 to 45 pounds with it. So I went on a cruise 3 times this past year, and each time I took that combination and it worked great for me. How do you store your suitcase set is another question I get. Really cool thing about them is that they all fit within each other. How I start is I put the carry-on size in the medium and I put the medium size in the large, so the only suitcase that I have to store is that large suitcase. Is the Lock Tsa approved? Yes, it is, so you don't have to worry about that. With the carry-on suitcase, I do get the question of, can you remove the battery pack? And yes, you can. So you do have the option of not having a place for the battery pack at all, or if you do get it, you can remove it. It's super easy to pop out. I actually take this backpacking with me quite a bit, and when you fly on a plane or if you're going to check the suitcase, you can't leave the battery in, so they will ask if you have a battery pack in your suitcase, and it's easy to remove. You just press it to put it in and press it to pop it out. 2 questions I get is, what color did I choose and would I choose another color? So I happen to like pink. It's not my favorite color, but I do like the pink suitcases, and they're super easy to spot because a lot of the bags that are in the airport are black. However, because it is such a light color, it does get dirty really quick, which I talked about in the other video, so I won't go into it here. But one thing I would do is get a clear plastic cover so that when it goes through the airport and it gets handled, it doesn't get all the scuff marks and nicks that it has now. If I could choose another color, I'd probably go with something that's blue, because I do like blues. I think they're really pretty, but there's so many options to choose from, and they go through limited edition colors and all those fun things. So just check their website and see what they have, and whichever color speaks to you, go ahead and get it. How much do the suitcases cost? Because I don't actually work with the company, if you want the most up-to-date pricing, I will leave a link below so that you can check it out yourself. I will say, as far as a price scale on cheap to expensive, these are on the expensive side for suitcases. Next question is, can the large be checked on a plane? Yes, it can. It can also, if you're going on a cruise, you can put all these suitcases under your bed when you go on a cruise ship, because that is something that is very important. I love cruising, and I went on 3 last year, like I said, with the suitcases, so being able to store them properly is nice. Because I like to get things that match, I did go ahead and get the mini version of the suitcase set, and what I put in here is anything that I want to put in my suitcase that I don't want to get squished. So as you can see, it's a hard exterior just like the suitcases, and it opens up just like them, and I can store little things in here, and figured if I can get a matching pink set, why not get it? Something else that I got that matches suitcases are the packing cubes, and I love packing cubes, but I did an entire review just on these packing cubes, and you can watch that in this video here, but if you want to see the review I did on the suitcase set, click here.